Grab and go dough snowman. In your kit, you're going to find a baggie with flour and salt. You'll also find another baggie with all the accessories. You'll need a mixing bowl, your own water, and oil. Add your water to the mixing bowl with the water, slowly adding the cold water as you stir, making a dough creation. If it's too sticky, you can add a little more flour, and if it's not, you can add more water. You can roll the dough into 3 balls and kind of smush it flat and start adding your accessories. So much fun. What else can you make? Look around your house and see what else you can come up with. There's my dough snowman. What shall we name the snowman? Be sure to share with a picture on our Instagram page at Manlius Library, #Miss Wendy.